In our lecture today, we are going to complete our discussion about the evolution of management and the different managerial schools. The third school in the history of the management, or the history of the public administration, was the behavioral school. They studied the behavior of the individuals in the organization and the effect of the behavior on the organization performance. They defined the behavior as the actions of the people that are seen. The main contributors to the behavioral school was Douglas MacGregor, Abraham Maslow, Frederick Herzberg, and John Adams. Douglas MacGregor put his famous X and Y theory, which has a negative and positive assumptions about the human behavior. Theory X has four main assumptions. Employees dislike the work and whenever possible will attempt to avoid it. Since the employees dislike the work, they must be controlled or threatened with punishment to achieve the desired goals. Employees will avoid responsibilities and seek formal direction whenever possible. Most workers place security above all other factors associated with the work and will display little ambition. In contrast, Theory Y has four different assumptions. Employee can view work as being as natural as rest or play. A person who committed to objectives will exercise self-direction and self-control. The average person can learn to accept and even seek responsibility. The ability to make innovative decisions is widely spread among the employees and not necessarily restricted to the management position. Theory X assumes that lower order needs dominate the individuals. However, Theory Y assumes that the higher order needs dominate the individuals. One of the most important theories of the management is the Abraham Maslow theory, the hierarchy of needs. That we can classify the human needs into five main categories. These are the physiological needs, safety needs, social needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. In essence, that once you satisfy one of these needs, it will lose its effect as a motivator, and the need for the higher one will emerge. So he classified the human needs into five main categories. But we can classify them also into two main categories. Lower order needs, the needs that are satisfied externally. It includes the physiological needs, safety needs, and part of the social needs. And the higher order needs, needs that are satisfied internally, that include the other part of the social needs, the esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. So according to Maslow, we can classify the needs into five main categories. However, these categories differ from the general rewards to the organizational factors. For example, the physiological needs as the general rewards including the food, water, shelter, sleep, as the organizational factors include the pay, good working conditions. The safety needs can be generally satisfied by the safety, security, stability, protection. And the organizational factors that can satisfy the safety needs are the safe working conditions, company benefits, job security, union, and pension. The social needs can be satisfied by the love, affection, belongingness. At the work, it can be satisfied by cohesive work group, friendly supervision, and professional association. The esteem needs can be satisfied by self-esteem, self-respect, prestige. It can be satisfied in the organization by the social recognition, job title, higher status job feedback. Self-actualization needs, as the apex of the human needs, can be generally satisfied by the growth, advancement, creativity. And the organizational factors that can satisfy such needs are the challenging job, achievement in work, and advancement.